get yourself out of here if you can. This is a full suppression fire, and we are fully engaged. We have even authorized dozer line inside Yosemite, which is hardly ever done.
We're going to bring fire along our fire lines right up to Highway 41. So there'll be a lot of fire equipment, there'll be a lot of firefighters on the ground looking to make sure that we don't have any spot fires or anything like that. Obviously there'll be a lot of smoke generators, so there'll be lack of visibility.
As these firefighters are working in this area, strictly for visitor safety, we have to close the roads. We can't have vehicles on that road because you've got firefighting equipment, you've got firefighters, you've got air operations.
A little crazy. It's kind of going over my head. I know a lot of my friends are leaving and going to just like higher places where the smoke isn't affecting quite yet.